best for one thing, which is food. It was a beautiful journey so far. This homestay called Astagiri that I'm reviewing today is in Mudigere. So from Bengaluru to Sakleshpura in the train, and now from Sakleshpura we've taken a local bus which is going round and round, covered with coffee plantations, and it's been drizzling slightly throughout and it's so beautiful. I think it's one of the best weathers to come to. So looking forward. Hello again! We have finally reached Astagiri Homestay in Chikmagalur in Mudigere. Welcome to my villa for the next 2 days, and there are 2 villas here and it is overlooked by a number of coffee plantations. So let's go inside. It is so beautiful, and what makes it more special is the home cooked food here. I actually heard a lot about this, so let's see what is in store. Ghee rice, veg curry, palya, saru, rasam, carrot paisa, and for non-veg lovers, I'm a vegetarian. This is chicken curry, and this is South Indian favorite curd. What is the highlight here? It's the chili wine. ಈ ವೆದರ್ಗೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ವೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ತರ ಊಟ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್? We are at Astagiri Homestay in Mudigere in Chikmagalur. This is their 40-acre coffee estate. I'm just taking a casual walk since it's a sunny day. It's beautiful. Up to Devaramane Betta. It is so scenic. You can see the mist. It is lush green and the coffee has never tasted this better. And guess what? It is just an 8-kilometer ride from Astagiri Homestay, which is just about 15 minutes. Version of off-roading vehicle that we took to this beautiful tea estate. That is the view of the tea estate, cloudy hilltops, and guess what? The only sound that you hear is of the crickets. After a beautiful hike of about 20 minutes, we have finally reached this amazing hilltop, and the clouds seem to be marching towards us. I have honestly not seen anything this overwhelming in Karnataka. Totally love it. And the viewpoint is called Ranijhari in Chikmagalur. to thank Borrbo.com for arranging this beautiful trip and giving me this opportunity to review this property called Astagiri in Chikmagalur, Mudigere. So everything was hassle-free. I can't get over the fact that the food was really tasty. The place is like wow, and the hospitality was wow.